Where's your watch? Where's your watch?
Apple Watch?
Where's your watch?
Where'd you leave it?
Fucking guy. Where'd you leave
What
it?
would I do without office hours, man?
All right, so here it is. Office hours. I don't even know what week we're in, but we're lit. All I know is today, straight runs, no tournament. Let's get it. All right, let's go. My dog. Welcome. Oh, what's up, boy? Welcome, man. Welcome to the office, yo. Appreciate you coming, man.
Today, I just got in.
What?
Yeah.
Perfect.
4-hour drive.
Yo, I appreciate you, man. You did it for office hours, bro?
Office hours.
Fam, come back next week. You're here too, all right? Say no more. I appreciate you. Straight out of Ottawa. Shout out Chad with a J. Hey! Back screen. Yeah, all the way through. Swing! Chakoo! Nice pass, Yos. Don't have what, Craig? Step. Pass it. Ooh, that was a good one. Craig's trying to move. Oh yeah, what's the flavor of the day? Yeah, you know that. Sarah! Hi, Sarah. That's Sarah. #1 photographer in the city. Believe that. Oh, that's James. Draft pick #4. 4th draft pick. Oh, defense! Defense! Sammy. Hey, let's go, Sammy. Let's go, Sammy. I see you. Big shot. Everyone look at Norman's shoes. I mean, Norman's shorts. They're the Louis Vuitton, yo. Uh-oh. Game winner, though? I see you working. I see you working for it. You're sweating already. It's the first game, man. You look warm. Let's go, baby. I got shells on me. Nice. What the hell was that? Cut. Cutter! That's ready, Rock, if you didn't know. Hey. Bang, bang. Hey, gymnasium. That's gymnasium if you didn't know. Nice shot, Jamoy. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah. My back is killing me. Nice pass, man. Nice fucking pass, Nano. It's my dime. Okay, young boy.
Someone called out. He said nothing.
No one worried.
I would have had a kick if they told me to bubble something.
all this basketball is taking a toll on my back. Shout out Lyle Detox for showing me this. I'm still gonna go get buckets. Ever heard of that? Unpluckable. No, you did. I crossed you up today, actually. And I gave you this, huh? Ha. Yes, I did. All right, then. At least I got one. Oh, yeah, Brandon. Come on, give the ball. Shoot him. Oh, yeah! Defense! That's what I meant. Defense! No, just stay down. Hello. Fuck! Thanks, Nana. One stop. No. Short what? By yourself! Come on! Don't make your shots your shit. You gotta make your shots. I got you. Okay, hit that. Hold that. Let's go. What you got? Right back. Okay, sure, wavy. I see you. There you go. It's okay, it was him. Chuku. Oh, no board. Finish. Hell no. They didn't want to see me. They didn't want to see me. Game! There you go, Nando. That's how you end the game. Good work, baby. Jamar. Good game, guys. Ooh, that was a good one. Gotta love the office hours competition. Hell no. Good pass. Pass. It's a pass.
alone, fam.
Last game of the night. It's like 1 a.m. We're still hooping at the office. That's why we call it office hours. Believe that.
That was trash. There's no way that's a highlight you missed. There's no way.
Easy two. Thanks, your boy. Ooh. God damn, boy. Who is that? Oh my God! Yeah, you know. Help that! Come on! God damn. Good game, boy. Yeah, we got it. Good game, guys. Good run. And that's that. Office hours, Markham. Wrap.